Welcome to MyMirrorClub.com's How to Create and Manage an Audio Guestbook tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to create your audio guestbook landing page, customize its branding, upload audio files, and share it with your client and guests. First, log in to MyMirrorClub.com and go to your account dashboard and select Audio Guestbook. Click the New Audio Guestbook button to create a new event. Once the event is created, MyMirrorClub will automatically generate your audio guestbook landing page. You'll be given two options, regular guestbook or custom guestbook. Choose regular guestbook to create an online audio guestbook that can be shared using a MyMirrorClub link or embedded as a widget on your own website. Choose custom guestbook when you want the audio guestbook to use your own custom domain name. SSL security is included, but you must own the domain and point it to the MyMirrorClub server. For this tutorial, we'll select regular guestbook and then click Create. Next, click the three-dot menu on your event to access all of the available customization, management, and sharing options for your audio guestbook. Manage audio messages allows you to upload and delete MP3 audio files. These audio messages will be available for visitors to play directly from your automatically generated audio guestbook landing page. Rename lets you change the title of your audio guestbook, which will appear on the event and its landing page. Upload logo allows you to add your business logo, your client's logo, or a custom event logo to personalize the page. Upload logo allows you to add your business logo, your client's logo, or a custom event logo to personalize the page. The Upload Cell Phone Image lets you add the image displayed inside the mobile phone graphic on the landing page. The Upload Background Image allows you to customize the main background of the audio guestbook page so it matches the event theme or branding. The View Audiobook page opens the public audio guestbook landing page. Use this option to preview and test the page before copying the link and sharing it with your client or guests. QR code for audiobook generates a QR code that guests can scan with their phones to open the audio guestbook landing page instantly. Website widget provides the code needed to embed the audio guestbook directly into your own website or your client's website. Finally, Delete permanently removes the entire audio guestbook event and its associated content. This action cannot be undone, and the event cannot be restored, so only select Delete when you are completely certain it is no longer needed. Thank you for watching this MyMirrorClub.com tutorial. You have now learned how to create and customize an online audio guestbook, upload your branding, manage MP3 audio messages, preview the public landing page, and share it using a direct link, QR code, or website widget. Your audio guestbook is now ready to share with your client and guests.